Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you this delicious, amazing recipe, how I cook my ogbono soup. So guys, keep watching. You will love what you are watching. To my new and old subscribers, a very big welcome to you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this page, subscribe. Follow this page, like, share, and comment for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. To begin, I have my homemade dry fish. You can check out the video on my page on how I cook the fish. I have smoked mackerel fish, stockfish. Next, I have pomo, also known as cow skin. I have my beef, that's the red meat. Next, I have shaki, known as cow tribes. Next, I have salt to taste, habanero pepper and ogbono, also known as locust beans. I have my grounded crayfish, palm oil, my chopped onions. I have my dry-uziza leaf, which I will be using in this recipe. Next, I have my dry bitter leaf already washed. I have uziza seed. I have my seasoning cubes. So next, the main chefin or chef of the recipe, I have my powdered ogbono. And this is how the seed looks like for those that don't know how it looks. Next, in a clean pot, I added in the stockfish and cow skin. That's the pomo. Added some water, seasoning cubes, salt. Cover and let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how hard or soft the stockfish or pomo is. After 10 minutes, I transferred in the shaki beef to season with some seasoning cubes, onions, stir to combine, cover and let it cook until tender. Next, I mix the grounded ogbono with some palm oil. This will make the ogbono not to form lumps inside the soup. So once I'm done with that, I will set it aside. Now let's check on the meat. Yeah, the meat is properly cooked now. So I added more water that will be enough to cook the soup. Then went ahead and poured in the grounded crayfish, seasoning cubes, uziza powder, that's the seed which I've blended, yeah, to powder form. I added it in. So my already blended pepper mixed with ogbono, I blended the two together, yeah. Some salt to taste, smoked mackerel fish and my dry fish. Now you give it a gently stir. Stir to combine, cover the pot and bring to boil. Let's check on the pot. As you can see now, it is boiling. So I'll be adding in the oil mixed grounded ogbono into the meat stock. Gently stir the soup. Yeah. At this point, you don't need to cover the pot. Gradually, the soup starts thickening with its slimy form. Cook for about 10 to 20 minutes. And you will begin to perceive its nice flavor and aroma. Last, I stirred in my sliced uziza leaf and bitter leaf into the pot. So you can use any vegetable of your choice. Once I'm done, I cover the pot and cook for 60 seconds. 60 seconds now. Give it a gently and lovely stir. Our soup is ready. Remove from the heat. Yeah? This soup can be served with any swallow of your choice. Guys, have you tried this ogbono soup recipe? Adding uziza powder and leaf to it. If you haven't, you are missing out. Try it out, you will love it, okay? And tell me in the comment section how it turns out. Serving mine with some pounded yam. Guys, this soup tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. After trying out this recipe, you will ask for more. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and remember, blessed. See you soon.